We'll guide you through how to make a cobblestone generator. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video, and let's get right into this. So what you're going to need is lava, water and a pickaxe. The shovel is optional, I just got it so it's quicker. Now what we need to do is dig out 4 blocks. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then what you need to do is with the third one along here is take out another block like that. So it should look exactly like this. Then place your water over here and you need to place your lava on the other side like this. And then we then get cobblestone. So then what you can do is mine a block here and sit with your pickaxe and get an unlimited supply of cobblestone just like that. What's important though is that you do get close to the block when you go and mine it, so you make sure you pick up the cobblestone when it drops, otherwise it may get burnt by the lava. But of course you're only going to go and get another cobblestone, so it's not a big deal if you do go and lose 1 or 2. If you found this guide useful and you want to see more Minecraft guides, then make sure you leave a like and subscribe to the channel,